I will show you some secrets. Not here. I forgot it was here. There might be airplane flood. I'm literally not dying. I will show you after one of these secrets. Go out the flashes with that light. And here we go. You can see it.
Whoa.
Basically, this used to be an airport. And it now becomes this thing. A desert. Okay.
Oh, wait sa'yo to. Lalo card tayo.
You want to show? I want to show you the next.
Pre, wala pre. Alucard nga. Hero nga tayo, hero. Awit ya. Hindi ka sumasabay. Hindi ka sumasabay sa...
If you see a carnival, just go to it. And I will show you how to get Christmas trees. Ay, Scotty, di ka. Laglag naman, nanay ka.
Wala kang tayo lang.
This is where our carnival will be. It looks like a baby. This is a horror.
Ano, lahat nakadamage. Uy, wag kayo ya. Bisaya.
I'm
Bisaya
scared.
yun. Aray ko. Putang ina. Awit. Nice game.
What was that? Piece of poop. I've never been in there. You want to show me? You want to show? I will show you the next secret. Yes, I'm going to. And you might see that little dot there. That's me. But you can only get this. Only YouTubers can get this. Go. Oh.
I remember. I will not ever like city when you will never tell.
Here's how to get the Christmas tree and the scary running bunny. That's all.
Si Rodray.
Bye-bye.